In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete project in Supabase. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the deletion safely so you don't remove the wrong thing. First, open the Supabase dashboard in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. From the main workspace, head to the Projects area. This is the hub where all of your projects live, and it's the starting point for finding the one you want to remove. If you manage multiple projects, use the search bar at the top of the project's view to quickly locate the exact project name. Typing a few keywords usually narrows it down fast. You'll also notice a new project button here. That's useful for creating fresh environments, but we won't need it for deletion. Just helpful context so you know you're in the right place. Once you can see the project you want to delete, click it to open the project dashboard. Inside the project, look to the left sidebar and scroll to the bottom. Click Project Settings. This takes you to all the configuration options for the project. Within Settings, make sure you're on the General tab. The deletion control's live on this page, so confirm the General section is selected before continuing. If you're not in General, you won't see the Delete option and it can be easy to think it's missing. Now, scroll down the General page until you find the Delete Project section. Pause here for a moment and double-check you're working with the correct project. Deleting a project removes its database, storage, and related resources. If you need anything from it, tables, files, or connection info, export or back it up first. It's also a good idea to verify any apps or services that point to this project so you're not breaking a live integration. When you're ready, click Delete Project. A confirmation dialog will appear. Supabase requires you to type the project name exactly as shown. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Type it carefully, matching the case and spacing. If you have similar project names, read it twice to be sure. After entering the name, click the button that says, I understand, delete this project. Supabase will begin the deletion process. Depending on the size of your data, this may take a short moment. Once complete, the project will no longer appear in your projects list, and its resources will be permanently removed. That's it. You navigated to Projects, opened the target project, went to Project Settings, verified the General tab, scrolled to Delete Project, confirmed with the project name, and finalized the deletion. Use this same flow anytime you need to safely retire a project in Supabase.